Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online courses. Specifically, we're putting two heavy hitters head to head. Graphy and Teachable, both platforms have been making waves in the online course space, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. We'll break down the top pros and cons of each platform side by side to help you figure out which one comes out on top for your specific needs. We'll be looking at everything from ease of use and customization options to marketing features and pricing plans. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. So, grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Graphy. One of the things that immediately stands out about Graphy is its user interface. It's clean, intuitive, and just makes sense. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Even if you're brand new to the world of online courses, you'll be able to navigate Graphy's dashboard, create your course content, and manage your students without pulling your hair out. The platform is designed to be as stress-free as possible. But Graphy isn't just about looking good, it's packing some serious functionality under the hood. From course creation to student management, everything is streamlined. They've clearly put a lot of thought into making the platform user-friendly, especially for creators who might not be super tech-savvy. You don't need to be a tech wizard to make the most out of Graphy. You'll find drag-and-drop functionality for course creation, easy-to-understand settings, and a logical layout that just flows. This makes the process of building your course almost enjoyable. And speaking of flow, Graphy also gets major points for its built-in marketing tools. These tools are designed to help you reach your audience effectively. You're not just creating a course and throwing it out into the void. You're given the tools to actually promote it and get it in front of the right audience. This is crucial for the success of any online course. Think email marketing integrations, coupon code creation, and even affiliate marketing tools, all within the Graphy ecosystem. Now let's talk customization. Graphy understands that your brand is important and they give you the flexibility to make your course pages your own. This means you can maintain your brand identity throughout. We're talking custom branding, personalized domains, and design options that go beyond the basic templates you find on some platforms. You have the freedom to create something truly unique. You're not just fitting into their mold, you're creating an experience that feels uniquely you. This level of customization is rare and highly valuable. They've also integrated features specifically designed to help you build and engage with your audience. Community building is a key aspect of any successful online course. And here's the kicker. Graphy manages to pack all of these features into a pricing plan that's actually affordable. This makes it accessible for creators at all levels. Now, before you rush out and sign up for Graphy, we've got to address the elephants in the room. Let's break it down into pros and cons. While Graphy plays nicely with some of the major players, their list of integrations isn't as extensive as what you might find on other platforms. If you're heavily reliant on specific third-party tools for your workflow, this is definitely something to consider. You might find yourself having to get creative with workarounds or manually exporting and importing data. Next, let's talk about the learning curve. While the basic features of Graphy are incredibly user-friendly, diving into some of the more advanced features might require a bit of patience and a willingness to explore. Another area where Graphy could improve is in its payment gateway options. While they do support the most popular gateways, their list isn't as comprehensive as some other platforms. This might not be an issue for everyone, but if you have a specific payment gateway you prefer to use, you'll want to double-check that Graphy supports your preferred options. And since we're talking about transparency, let's address the elephant in the room. Graphy is still relatively new to the game. Finally, let's talk about customer support. While Graphy's support team is generally helpful and responsive, some users have reported longer than average wait times for responses. Chapter 3, Teachable, the veteran steps in. Alright, now that we've covered Graphy, let's shift gears and talk about the veteran in the room, Teachable. Teachable has been a major player in the online course space for a while now, and they've built a solid reputation for providing creators with a robust platform packed with features. Whether you're a seasoned educator or a newbie looking to share your knowledge, Teachable has something to offer. One of the things Teachable is known for is its comprehensive course creation tools. These tools are designed to be user-friendly yet powerful, allowing you to focus on content rather than technicalities. They give you everything you need to create professional-looking courses, from multimedia lectures and quizzes to downloadable resources and interactive assignments. This means you can offer a rich learning experience that keeps students engaged. They've basically thrown the entire toolbox at you, so you've got options for days. Whether you need video hosting, custom domains, or advanced editing features, Teachable has it all. But Teachable doesn't just stop at course creation. They also give you the tools to track your course's performance with detailed analytics and reporting. This helps you make data-driven decisions to improve your courses. We're talking about data on student engagement, course completion rates, and even revenue generated. All the insights you need to understand what's working and what's not. This level of detail can be a game changer for your online teaching business. And if you're someone who loves integrating with all the latest and greatest tools, Teachable has got you covered. Their platform is designed to work seamlessly with a variety of third-party applications. They offer an extensive list of third-party integrations, so you can connect your Teachable account with your email marketing platform, CRM, analytics tools, and more. This makes it easier to manage your entire online education business from one place. Speaking of integrations, Teachable also understands that offering flexible payment options is crucial for online course creators. They support multiple payment gateways to make transactions smooth and hassle-free. And let's not forget about Teachable's established reputation. With countless positive reviews and a strong community of educators, Teachable continues to be a trusted choice for online course creation. Chapter 4. Teachable, the price of experience. Now, with all that being said, Teachable isn't without its drawbacks. While it offers a lot of great features, there are some areas where it falls short. One of the most common criticisms of Teachable is its pricing. Many users find it to be on the higher end, which can be a significant barrier. Their plans tend to be on the pricier side compared to some of the other platforms out there, especially if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. This can make it difficult for new creators to justify the expense. Teachable offers three main pricing plans: Basic at $39 per month, Pro at $119 per month, and Business at $199 per month. Each plan comes with different features and levels of support. Sometimes you do get what you pay for, and in Teachable's case, that often means a robust set of features and reliable performance. The platform is known for its stability and comprehensive tools. Another area where Teachable could improve is in its customization options. While they do offer some basic branding and design features, they don't give you as much flexibility as some other platforms when it comes to truly customizing the look and feel of your course pages. While they do offer some basic branding and design features, they don't give you as much flexibility as some other platforms when it comes to truly customizing the look and feel of your course pages. This can be a limitation for those who want a unique and personalized course experience. And while Teachable's extensive features are generally a good thing, they can also be a double-edged sword. The platform offers a lot, but that can sometimes be overwhelming. If you're new to online courses, the sheer number of options and settings available can feel overwhelming. It can take some time to get used to all the features and figure out how to use them effectively. There might be a bit of a learning curve as you familiarize yourself with the platform and figure out how to use all the features to your advantage. However, once you get the hang of it, the platform can be very powerful. Next, let's talk about transaction fees. This is another area where Teachable has received some criticism. Teachable does charge transaction fees on some of its plans, which can eat into your profits. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you're operating on a tight margin. Finally, customer support. Chapter 5. The verdict: which platform reigns supreme? So we've broken down the pros and cons, the highs and lows, the good, the bad, and the just plain meh of both Graphy and Teachable. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for: which platform reigns supreme? Well, as with most things in life, the answer is, it depends. It's like asking if you'd rather have pizza or tacos. Both are delicious, But the best choice depends on your individual preferences and what you're in the mood for. If you're a creator who prioritizes ease of use, affordability, and a clean, intuitive interface, Graphy might be your new best friend. It's like the sleek, user-friendly smartphone of the online course world. Easy to pick up and start using right out of the box. Plus, their built-in marketing tools and focus on community building are definitely major selling points. However, if you're a more experienced creator who values a robust feature set, detailed analytics, and extensive third-party integrations, Teachable might be the better fit. It's like the professional-grade camera of online course platforms, packed with features and capable of producing high-quality results. Ultimately, the best way to decide which platform is right for you is to try them both out. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details on Graphy and Teachable. You'll find links to their websites, pricing pages, and even some helpful tutorials to get you started on your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons of the latest and greatest tools and technologies for creators, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts. See you in the next video. Take care.